Web3 is the next evolution of the internet, decentralized, transparent, and built on blockchain. In Web 1, you could only read. In Web 2, you could read and write. In Web 3, you can read, write, and own. It gives control back to the users. Instead of relying on big tech companies, you interact directly through smart contracts and decentralized apps. How does Web3 work? Web3 runs on blockchain, a distributed network where no single entity controls your data. You don't log in with your email, you use crypto wallets like MetaMask or internet identity. You don't pay with traditional money, you use digital currencies and tokens. Apps in Web3 are decentralized. They are called dApps. They can't be shut down by one company or government. Why should you care? In Web3, you own your identity, your digital assets, even your online communities. Artists can sell their work without middlemen. Gamers can truly own in game items. And people across the world can access financial tools without a bank. Web3 is privacy first, permissionless, and built to empower users, not corporations.